Welcome back to the channel. This is our second video after we have successfully learned how to install Python in our system. Next, we will be learning in today's video. There are different types of data types that are commonly used in Python, and with that, we are going to learn some operators in Python. For example, arithmetical operators, relational operators, and some logical operators that will be helping you in writing down the logical Python codes and perform the different types of programs in Python successfully. So let's begin today's video. So basically there are 8 types of data types in Python generally we use. Okay, and one more thing, we cannot write anything like this in VS Code. For that, we have to mention the command line, and how we are going to mention this line as a command line. We have to simply select this line and press Control slash. So, what are the data types? First, number one is your string. Okay, that is text. Any kind of text will be coming under your string data type. Number two is your integer data types. Integer, that is your number. Any kind of numbers will be coming under integer data types. Number three will be your float data types. Float data types is your decimal data types. Okay, any decimal numbers will be coming under your float data types. Next is your boolean data types. Boolean data types means true or false. Okay, we'll be discussing every data types one by one in coming videos, but for today's video, just remember there are 8 kind of data types commonly used in Python. Okay, then boolean is true or false. Next is list. Next, number 5 is your list data types. List means it is the collection of multiple items. List data type will going to be storing multiple items or data in a single variable. Okay, next, sixth is your tuple. It is very much important term used in Python. Tuple. Tuple means any kind of fixed data. We'll be calling it as a tuple data type. Okay, next, seventh is your dictionary. Dictionary data type is used to store any collection of data, right? Collection of data. Next, last one is your set. Set is your collection of data types, but it is in a unique order. There will be no duplicates in set data types. Okay, next, coming to the operators in Python. What are the kind of operators in Python that are generally being used to write logical functions or logical coding in Python? Okay, so first will be your arithmetic operator. Next will be your assignment operator. Third will be your comparison operator, and fourth will be your logical operators. Okay, so first come first, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, there are 5 to 6 commonly used arithmetic operators that you can see here. First is your plus, that everyone knows it in additional operators. Next is your subtraction. Next is your multiplication, that is asterisk. Next, slash is your divisional operator, and percentage is your modulus operator, and double asterisk is your exponential operator, and double slash is your floor divisional operators. One by one, we'll be understanding every operators in details when we'll be writing down the codes. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are those operators that you use to assign any program inside your code, that is equal to each. Generally, we think is A equal to B or B equal to C, like this. But in Python, single equal to sign is equal to assigning something in a code. Plus equal to, that is your additional assignment. Minus equal to is your subtraction assignment. And next, as you can see here, you will be reading by your own from the video. Next, the most important one is your logical operator. Okay, for logical operators, there are three types of operators: and, or, not. Next, coming to comparison operators. As here you can see all the comparison operators that we use in Python. Okay. Now, you should remember and learn all these data types and the operators that are being used in Python. If you are not learning these operators or data types, you will not be able to write down any codes in Python properly. So try to learn and remember all these data types and operators in Python.